Um, Hi guys, today we are gonna learn about separation. So actually this is my first video. So if you would like to give this video 500 likes, I can make another videos like this. So let's start the topic. The topic is separation of substances. When we learn this topic, a question comes in our mind. What is actually separation? Here you can see, here is some random things in a stationary things in a single cup and only pencils. You must be thinking which cup is more good. Yeah, this one, cause it's arranged perfectly and this is arranged randomly. Now here are some glass. Now this is only for looks and finding things, and this is for taste, for our taste. Here you can see some pulp is in the juice. You don't by saying pulp, you don't want to eat the pulp. You only want that juice. So here is pulp juice and here is only juice. Which juice is tastier? This one. And there is some from an architect. This architect wants some sand, but this sand is full of stones. So the architect will take this one. So what are the methods of separation? The first method is hand picking. As you can see right here, here is a hand which is picking the dust out of the rice full of stones. That's why its name is also called as hand picking. Now the next is threshing. Now as you can see, here is a wheat have some dry and raw seeds. So take it. So we would hit it into the wall. Hit this bale of wheat in the wall so that the raw and dry seeds pop or get thrown out. Now here is winnowing. Winnowing you can say. Here is an stickman. He wants some flour, but the flour is full of like dust. So what he will do? He have to get in a high surface. So the stickman gets a box and a brick, and he gets above. He go and stand above the brick and pour the floor from the bag to the ground. Now he is in a high surface, and as you know, the dust is lighter than the floor. The floor will directly go down and dust will float for some time. and come down in another place. Now the next is sieving. As you can see, here is some stones. We don't want these stones. We don't want these stones. So what we are gonna do is, here are some holes, and we would put the stone and sand together. Then the stone would be above here in the channi. Channi, you can say this thing. It will be above the channi, and the sand will come down. The sand will come down because its particles are smaller than these holes, and stones are bigger than this hole, so they can't get passed through, and they won't fall down like the sand. So this is called sieving, and this is churning. Churning is used in cream. If we take cream and milk at a time, you can say makhan. And then see, here is some makhan, and we have to take out the butter from it. So we will take a stick-like thing and roll it around and round and round. Then after some time, the butter will come out in partially solid, like you don't use slime like that type. Then you can pick it up you can do this method and pick it up with your hand, the butter. Then here is sedimentation, decantation and filtration. First we would talk about sedimentation. Here you can, now you would have a question, why I am taking these trees at a time? Because these trees are step by step. And here you can see water. Water is coming up because it is light, very light, and sand is falling down because it is not that much light. So you must be thinking how we could take, if this is only sedimentation, this is all, and you must be thinking how we could take the sand out. What we have to do is pour the water into a setup, into a jar like this, having a stick like this, and pour the water like this. The water will go down, but you must be thinking, the steps are over. How is this possible? How one more step is filtered? No, there is one more step. Some particles of soil would be in the water. How to get the particles out of the water? Now that is called filtration. You must be knowing about filter. That you have to make a container like this, a round container like this, and fill it with stones. Now if you pour the water in it, water can go through stones and rocks. It will go through the stones and come down, but the soil would be stuck above the stone and can't come down. And under that you can put a bowl, glass of water, whatever you want. That's it. Thanks, guys.